Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to do another unboxing. The unboxing for today is this is huge. Okay, I need to stand up and then let's
push it to the center and then lay it back a bit so it doesn't fall forward.
Okay, so guys, I'm going to
Mind your thumbs and fingers.
Okay. Bear with me guys, it won't take long.
And the side as well.
Okay, so that's it. It's done. Let's see, what is this? What is that?
Papers.
Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh! This is so surprising, guys. Can you hold the thing? Okay, and
Don't put it on the table because the legs are not on there.
okay, so
On the setting.
on the setting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because the legs are not on the TV yet.
Okay.
Yeah, you can pull that back.
Okay, let's see. Hello! Oh wow! It's a TV!
Yeah, Samsung 32-inch TV.
Okay.
You can either use that with your new computer or with your old computer. So it's up to you.
Which one is bigger? This or
Same size screen.
Oh, the same.
The other one is older, so it's got a bigger frame.
I think
Bigger
that's
frame, bigger
the other
stand.
one.
This has got narrower frame and tiny legs.
Yeah. So I need to. Wow! I got new TV. TV screen. A computer.
It is, no, it's not a computer, it's a proper TV.
A proper TV.
I don't see the point of buying just monitor because they cost around the same as a proper TV. So with this we can watch normal TV channels as well. Plus the speakers are built in. If you buy a computer monitor, not only do you pay more or less the same, sometimes even more, but you also have to buy separate speakers.
So I
with amplification, because none of that is built into the monitors.
Oh, see.
And this is also got preview built in, so you can watch normal TV on it as well.
Oh, okay. So no.
All that needs is to plug in an aerial.
Oh, so this needs.
Those are the legs. It needs attaching. I don't know if they are screwed or.
Yeah, it's
click.
screwed. So this is the legs.
Yeah, we'll do that later.
Yeah, and that's the screws for these legs. What screen?
Leave it on done.
What screen is this?
32-inch.
32-inch.
Yeah, full HD.
Oh, full HD.
1080p.
Okay. Okay.
Can
And
open that as well. That's to go with it, I think.
and this another unboxing, guys. So this one is, let's see.
I'm not sure either.
Because I don't know.
It will be some sort of lead, I think, because I
so
ordered several leads, but
surprised.
there is still some more to come yet.
Wow. I didn't expect this, darling. This TV thing.
Yeah, happy birthday and happy anniversary, my darling.
Thank you so much, darling.
We got our 20th anniversary,
Yeah.
and you also have a big birthday, so
Oh, yes. I know that.
you deserve it.
Do I?
Yes.
I know I deserve it.
Yeah, you need to cut it, I think, with the scissors, because that's probably got like string inside the sticky tape. Just careful not to cut anything inside the box.
Of course. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's only this and they put in a big box. Look at that box.
Yeah.
It's huge.
Yeah, they could
Only
have just put
this.
that in a much smaller carton envelope.
So I'm expecting bigger. So this is the, what do you call this?
Is that HDMI lead, maybe?
Cable.
Yeah, is it HDMI cable?
I don't see HDMI.
Pull it up.
Oh. It says too long.
That's HDMI.
How do you know?
You can see the plugs.
Because what I'm looking is the writing. It's the MI. So this is
That is to connect the TV to your computer.
Oh, see. So that's very nice. It's very sturdy.
Yeah.
It's very sturdy because the one upstairs is not like this. It's just
Yeah, that's much older, so
yeah. So this is very good. I like this
yeah.
because it looks strong.
Yeah.
So that's very nice. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Lala. You know what you're buying.
Yes. Just
You know what to
more
buy.
leads.
You are amazing, darling. You are amazing. Okay, guys. So this is the connection for this. All this thing. This is the legs. That's the remote. That's the thing. And that's the lead. And that's battery for this. And that's the screws. There's a 4 screws for the legs.
Yes.
And this is the TV. Thank you so much, darling.
You're welcome, my
All
darling.
right, okay, guys. So
Happy birthday and happy anniversary, my darling.
thank you, darling, and you too. Happy
Thank
anniversary.
you, my darling.
All right, and happy birthday to me. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Love, love, love.